My name is Dr. Josephine Mo. I am an orthopedic surgeon and I specialize in hand surgery, and I've been in practice since 2003. One of the unique things about hand surgery within the field of orthopedics is that I get to see the entire spectrum from infants to elderly. I try to guide them as to what might be the best treatment option for them because it varies from patient to patient. We try and take into consideration what their lifestyle needs are, what they do for work, and what their general approach to their own health care is. Being a mother, now that I have kids, I feel like I have a little bit better approach in terms of how to approach children and how to address parents more so who are really concerned about the long-term effects of an injury. The thing that I love the most about my practice are really the people, the patients that I get to treat. They have really enriched my life just from sharing their own personal experiences. And I think one of the most rewarding things is just to see the benefits of your treatment on someone's life, either providing some pain relief that they've been struggling with for a really long time or helping them change some behaviors or routines. Luckily, I've been in practice long enough that I have seen some young kids that I took care of for some type of injury like a couple decades ago. And when you see the results and how well they're functioning, you're really grateful that they were able to make the most out of something that could have been more disastrous.